This is a walkthrough on how to use OneDrive. Step 1, we're going to go to portal.office.com. Once you've arrived at the website, we're going to sign in. If you already have your CBWS email or your CBOKI email, we'll sign in through that. Otherwise, click on Use New Account. This is going to take you to the Realogy.octa page. Sign in with your Coldwell Banker email credentials. We're going to stay signed in here, so click Yes. Next thing we're going to do is click on OneDrive. So you'll see that there. Once OneDrive is open, we're going to go to the left-hand side and click on Shared. You're going to see a Shared With You folder that will have your name on it there. So we're going to open that folder up by clicking on it. Once you're within your shared folder, we're going to create a new folder and name it with the property address. So we'll click on New, and then Folder. You're going to enter in the property address here for the folder name. And once you have that entered in, you'll click the Create button. You'll see that folder. We can click on that folder then at that point with that property name on it, and then click on Upload. We can either do files or a folder here. Files will be the individual photos, folder will be the whole photo folder. So we'll click on Pictures, or wherever you have those photos stored. We'll expand that. We can go through and select these one at a time, or we can do Control and select multiple files. We'll click Open. It's going to start uploading. We can click on that to see the upload progress. So it's going to show us how many it has left to go. And if we refresh, we'll see all those photos there that we've uploaded now. And if you click on one, that will expand it. And that's all. If you have any questions, please contact the e-marketing department or e-on-demand. And thanks for watching.